Yeah. First and low, and I just pinned it and climbed, no problem. Where are you guys trying to get to?
We're going to cabin.
We've been trying for like 2 days to get there, but we keep running into this stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You tried going around other way?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure after this, I think you can go.
Uh-oh. Shit. Yep.
Okay, well that's too funny.
Yeah, isn't it? Keep the armpits way up. There you go. You'll make it now.
Sorry.
Dudes, why?
Make you bring all that.
That was some pretty good stuff there. Two cool obstacles.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Looks like there's a bypass now. That washed down, and then all that water took out this road. Crazy power. Yeah, my love. Woohoo! That was awesome.
Fuck.
You did that easier than I did. We made it after 2 days. Even has an outhouse. Even has an outhouse. Hi fella, hi there. Good launch spot.
Look at it. It looks pretty.
They're bathing out a wicked flower, eh?
Yeah. I took a picture because those are cool.
They are. There's our launch spot.
Yep.
Gets deep straight away. That's amazing.
It's so soft over here.
Bring a piece of wood so we can fix that one.
Huh?
Bring a piece of wood so we can fix that.
It's what?
The picnic table. Look at that.
Oh, dead trees.
Hey?
It's all the dead trees.
Yeah. We're in the bowl on top of a mountain. Yeah, I saw it. Jimbo? Yep. Brought some stuff for him. He went down. No, he came down. He's in here. He shot down just as you came over.
Oh, there he is. He's on the other side of the street.
Is he? Oh, here comes the dog.
Hi.
Hey, buddy.
It's getting softer over that way. Oh, look at this. This is a big pop, right?
Oh, off-road? I want to get a picture of this red one.
That's what I did too.
Actually, there's a good one right here.
Are those like Indian something or
I don't know.
Indian paintbrush?
I thought the Indian paintbrush were orange. It's funny, I'm actually getting messages. Oh yeah.
I want to
Oh,
move.
that little.
That's what I was gonna do.
That's interesting. It might be moose. But he'd be high. But this would be a good.
I was gonna say we are high though.
Yeah. But this would be good. This is almost swampy at one time, right? There's a place right here. There's kind of rocks in the way. We could probably cross. Yep. It's just all, we're walking on like a moss. It's so soft.
You walking in that?
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind.
Okay. Two days of trying. These little.
Look at the little orange and red in it.
I'm sneaking into your. I photobombed it. 2 days of trying.
And we finally made it.
Yeah, and I think it was worth it.
Yep, I do too.
Do you? Good.
It's cold, but I'm good.
This is high alpine too, eh? That's why it's so chilly.
Oh, whatever.
I think it's totally worth it.
I do too. I'm stoked we finally got here.
Yeah, me too. Of all the trying. Oh, purple flowers. You're walking on the stuff. You're walking up the path. The granola people are going to be upset with you. Oh, these guys are funky. Look at. Oh, that's just the same purple one, just folded up. Is there?
I think.
Oh yeah, they're coming down. They're actually walking. Old one. Hey, that's cat track, I bet you.
I think so.
Ooh, cool. Might see.
Look, there's better ones in the mud there.
Yeah. Let's see if you
Ooh,
make
look at
it.
this big hook one too.
Yeah, look at that. That's cat or coyote. Does it have claws?
I think so, up in this top one.
Because the cat won't have claw marks. Just like cats, right? Wow, cool. That looks neat, how the little river going through there. The forest looks really different when you're in the high alpine.
Yeah.
Sure is beautiful up here though, huh?
We should paddle here tomorrow and go check that out.
Yeah,
Not tonight, because
No.
that's a hike.
that'll be a while.
But at least we'll have time to sat and relax and then come hike up here.
Yeah, we we don't have to go home tomorrow if you don't want.
Well, it's up to you, because you're the one that's got to work Wednesday.
Look at that, eh? That looks cool.
So this is going to be your call.
Well, even if we just leave early Tuesday,
Okay.
it won't take us long to get home. Right there. Look at how far we are.
I know.
Just a pond. You walk this one way, but when you go back, everything looks totally different.
Yep.
Which is actually probably how people get lost.
Yeah, no doubt.
Think we'll see or hear Sasquatch?
I hope so. Oh my God.
That'd be awesome. Here's our tent. I think we'll get pretty good coverage.
I think so. We're pretty well blocked from the wind there.
Yeah. I'm just going through the campsite because I'm filming it. Nice little point.
Yeah.
If we got here early in the summer, this would be a perfect spot.
Yes.